everybody. Look at this weather in Syracuse. We got mad snow. That's why I'm about to send my butt right back in the house. I just gotta go one stop, go to Dollar Tree, get me some snack, a drink, and I'm back in the house. Get this weather.
Hectic out here.
It's hectic. It's crazy. That's what happens when you live in New York City.
Yes, you got a car that can reach you.
Look at the person on the ski thing. He getting through it. Look. He going fast too. It's crazy.
I don't even go fast, bro. I know not to speed in this shit. Just not to speed.
Well, they did the road good though. They road good. You don't have to be out here, don't you? If you do, be safe. Jeep is not all-wheel drive. That's only two-wheel drive. That's why I got a show to get through the snow. Got a lot of snow, though. Supposed to get more snow coming. And this must be like this until tomorrow morning, y'all. And mad cars got stuck already in this. You don't have four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, I wouldn't drive your car in this. You're gonna get stuck. Like most of everybody have done